this is your first time in the Philippines, okay? Have you been to the malls or have you been to Boracay? You should go to Boracay. Diba, Tagaytay is a beautiful place. What place do you want to go to the Philippines? In the Philippines?
Cavite, for example.
You like Cavite? Why in Cavite?
I don't know. I don't speak in English.
I speak English.
English.
I have my interpreter. Boobsy? I have my interpreter. Boobsy, no, she came from Spain also. I have an interpreter. If you don't speak English, Española. Española. I have an interpreter, teacher of Española.
Yes, boss.
Okay? Española, on the safe side. Kaya ora de honor de kung kapagandang ka parang maripana. Okay? Maricone pa parang spaghetti.
Buenos días, habla español, kain ka espasol. Mi nombre es Boobsy.
Encantada.
Oh,
Encantada ka daw.
encantada, guapa.
Muchas gracias.
Mategat.
No, she speaks all kinds of languages. Chinese,
Ikang nữ, đi hảo thư sừng công hậu bố bố lý chào kinh à.
okay? Okay, Korean,
Oppa, 안녕하세요. Kong akin.
okay? Japanese,
すいません。本当に、顔が本当に美人ですね。
okay. What else? Arabic, Arabic.
Inta habibi, hukan lahat di kamar kahanikan.
She is my international interpreter. What else? Española, okay.
India.
India.
Namaste, infrared. Kasi di ba, yung mga Indiaway merong
Wala.
red dito?
Anong tawag doon?
Infrared. Yung mga tingin.
Okay. Infrared. Walang nga ka sa baril yun ah.
Infrared, ano yun, parang wifi nila.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So what else? Oh, okay.
Kapampangan, no karen Kapampangan, iha.
Okay. Española. All right. How do you say I love you in Española?
Te quiero.
Te quiero.
Nina, te quiero, te amo. Watashi wa anata aishimasu. Ichibiri, iniibig kita, gua idea.
All right. Okay, she will play.
I'm sorry?
Hindi ako in-English mo. All right.
Okay.
She's gonna play
Uh-huh.
the Cookie to Eat. Cookie
Yeah.
to Eat. That's the night title. Cookie to Eat.
Cookie
Okay?
to Eat.
You know how to
Okay.
play it?
Okay. Huh?
Okay, good.
I put the-
No.
ano?
Don't touch it.
Oh,
Hygiene. Hospitality, Filipino, very good.
I
Okay?
need the gloves.
Why? No.
What?
Get the plate.
Okay?
Okay? Okay, she can be the one to get the...
Put the one
Put
cookie
the cookie. Okay?
on your
Okay.
forehead.
All right. Okay. Are you ready? She's very tall, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, if you're ready, take your time. Okay, do you have a boyfriend?
What?
Na-distract siya, Kuya Willie!
Talo!
One more!
Yun lang yan. Ano? I'm asking you, do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, kayo na mag-usap.
Okay, put the cookie on your forehead.
Okay.
Then the face will come. Okay? Come on.
All right, good luck. Let's play. Cookie to win, go!
Sorry.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
So fast. Oh, I'm sorry. Tissue.
Okay, you.
Yung mo ko lang sa maganda music. Wait. Oh. Okay. How about you? May luga ka. Anyway, thank you very much for being good sport. All right, thank you
You're
very much.
loose.
You want a jacket? Give her a jacket. Thank you very much, Natalia!
Yes! Okay na, Kuya?
Ganun dapat. O, ikaw nga, one time, oh.
Ako?
Bibigyan ka na ng 2,000.
Mrs. Payne, watch me.
Okay. Hindi mo salamin mo doon. Walang yaka. go. Tingnan natin. Bibigyan ka lang kita ng 2,000. O, tagko naman yung salamin mo roon. Okay? Ready? Go! Ay, nahulog!
Oh, you're so madaya. I saw your hand there.
Okay. O, play. Go!